Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today we're just going to be getting ready with me. I'm going to be doing this makeup, the first makeup I'm going to be doing with my new hair color. So let's jump right into it. So guys, that's the finished makeup look. I hope you like it. I was just playing around with some fun colors, lots of kind of reds and pinks in there. I haven't done makeup in a while, so this was a blast. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!